Hello and welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. Today I want to talk to you about how you can expand your Samsung devices using one particular product. This product was sent out to me for review by Espresso Displays. If you want to see the unboxing of that, of course, that will be linked at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So this will work whether you're using a Samsung Galaxy phone or any other Android device that supports video out, desktop mode, whatever you want to call it. Huawei and a bunch of other brands utilize this as well. Today's video, I will be using the S23 Plus connected up to the display. You have to power it. It does not have its own power source. And then this is the cable providing video over USB-C through DeX. DeX will launch. If you don't know what DeX is, it's Samsung's desktop mode. Here is all my apps. You can see you can set it up to use your phone layout for apps, so that way it follows exactly how I have my app drawer set up on my phone. You'll see there. So let's say you want to watch YouTube, you're watching YouTube, you decide you want to launch something else beside it. So we will go in and let's say I want to watch, I'm going to do something here on Twitter or X. And then you can adjust each size of the window there. You can save them down at the bottom. So if I press and hold, I can pin this. If it's not already pinned, let me show you here. So if I press and hold, that you can minimize it down there as well. In touchscreen, you have, I can swipe up from the bottom here, and that is how I will get to brightness, volume for the speakers. So if I'm playing audio, there are a set of speakers on this that it will play through. They're not very good, so I'd recommend you set your audio source to come out of your device. And then of course you have different color profiles here. That one's more warm, that one's very warm, gaming. I prefer this one. It seems to be the most color accurate, kind of coolest there. And of course, because it's connected, you can be using your phone's data plan or Wi-Fi. The nice thing is, if you have unlimited data, you could have this in your car, get a tablet mount. This is a 15.6-inch one. They also have a 13-inch one. And then they just launched the 17 Pro, which is their 17-inch one I'm hoping to get my hands on very soon. Mount it in your car and use it that way. The other advantage is maybe you want to have it as a tablet sometimes, or just for watching video on a larger screen, but you don't always want to, you don't want to buy a tablet. Something like this could be more cost effective than buying like a Tab S8 Ultra. And as you upgrade your phone, you get an update with this. So as you see, I can go into YouTube, I can go into my subscriptions, I can go into here, and I was watching a video today from Juan Bagnell. I was watching his live stream this morning. We can bring it in, go full screen, go, type a comment, pops up. Of course, the keyboard pops up on the phone, but if you were to pair a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, you could pair a nice keyboard and mouse, like the Logitech ones I have here, up to your device and use it like a computer on the go. Of course, this does prop up, and I will show you that here in a moment so you can see more utilizing it like an actual desktop. So now that it's propped up, you'll see I have it in a folio keyboard here, folio case here. You'll see it's propped up and I have my keyboard and mouse connected up, which I could use to operate, but I prefer to just use touch for most things. And of course, on the actual phone itself, I can make it into a trackpad, and you'll see if I move on my phone, it moves an arrow on the screen. If I were to bring it down here and tap, you'll see it brings up the keyboard over on the phone there. And now I have a desktop without even having to carry a keyboard and mouse. Let me get rid of this keyboard and mouse here, toss it behind me. And realistically, I can have just my phone as a keyboard and mouse trackpad solution to type out, you know, in the chat or in a comments here. And when I'm done, I just close that out. So this is one of the utilizations that I really like. And the thing that I like about having a Samsung device or another Android device that can do video out, like the new OnePlus 12 that was just announced, supports video out, some older OnePlus devices as well, Huawei, some Honor devices, some Vivo devices, things of the like that. Being able to just take advantage of multitasking, but more than just the phone. And I can be doing whatever over on the phone here. So I could have those open, but maybe I want to be browsing in Chrome, checking out the pricing on, you know, the latest new devices on GizTop, and still have things over here. I could be typing out notes in one and watching a live stream, I could be doing a live chat over here. Of course, because you have the camera from the device, you can mount it on a tripod or just prop it up like this and have your camera out. And let me show you that real quick. So if I was in a live stream, of course, this would be a little bit different. But if I were to go in here and you see that pops up, I can go into the camera and you'll see it's going to utilize the back camera, the camera from the phone, the front camera, and you can switch it around if you wanted. But I could go into video, go like this, and then of course I could be using this display to then record a video, or I could go out of and exit Dex. And now it's mirroring my phone. So if I were to bring up the camera and let's say go to video, reverse it, 4K here, that's on the back, but let me flip it around to the front. You'll see I can use it as a monitor, and I could have my phone wherever and then the video through there and kind of see myself. So you'll be able to notice there that now it's acting in a mirroring mode. I can swipe out of this. If I can still use everything on here and it still uses the touch. If I were to want to go back into Dex, I could bring down here. Let's see here. I could go and bring down here and swipe further in and launch back into Dex, and you'll see just like that I am back into Dex mode. So a little bit about how you can use your Samsung phone, or if you have a tablet and you wanted to use it as a second screen and then have your tablet kind of as its own big screen running the tablet interface and then Dex over on this, you could do that, or a Fold or whatever. And the audio, you can have it come out of the speakers on your device or the speakers on this tablet. If you're interested in this, please check out the link down below. Again, if you're new to the channel, please don't hesitate to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. This has been another video from Michael Pepper Tech. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and happiness, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please share.